Hi, I just got home from work. I'm still in my car, as you can see. Actually, that's a lie. I didn't just get home from work. I got home from work a while ago, but I've just been sitting here. And I really do need to go inside soon. I swear I'm gonna do it. I swear I'm gonna do it. Yeah. This week has just been a lot for me personally. Can't really go into a lot of details there other than just going through it. And I also hit a cat, I think. I know I did. Yeah, yesterday I was driving and I literally hit a cat. And so that was tough. Actually, I can't think about it because I'm gonna cry, but yeah, and just a lot of things. And also, I know that the whole joke is like the Minnesota seasons are winter and construction. I get it. I really think it's worse this year. I know I haven't been here for a few summers, but I really do think it's worse. And my commute that's supposed to take like 35 minutes now takes an hour or more, sometimes more in the afternoon. So I really just don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do that. Part of me doesn't mind it, but I don't know. It's just like a lot sometimes after everything else. And I stopped on the way home I had to get oat milk because we're out again. So that added like an extra 10 minutes to the drive. I don't know. You know what? Enough complaining, Madeline. You're fine. And tonight's gonna be fun. Me and Ben and Lydia are going to a Saints game. Actually, I need to go get ready for that because I think we're probably leaving soon. But I'm excited. I wasn't kidding, you guys, when I said I was becoming a sports girly. This is serious. And it's honestly been healing for me because one, I was really bad at sports in high school, and every other time that I've done sports I've been bad at them, and so I just like have felt like I can't be good at them. And also because of my toxic ex, who is apparently really into football. Didn't know that when I signed up to date him. And it was a horrible time because I could care less about football, like truly give two shits about it. And I just thought it was like a silly, goofy game. So I would make silly, goofy jokes about it sometimes because, hello, it's funny. It's like not a big deal. But no, that would cause like arguments for like hours. And yeah, so I don't know. Something about it feels like some healing karma of like, actually, now I'm gonna love sports. I think I love them now. And it's gonna be so fun. I'm really excited. I haven't been to a baseball game in actually a really long time. And I'm just excited. I hope that there's like a little vegan, little veggie dog or something that I can have. And I think Ben said it's like $2 beers and some kind of like seltzer or something or other deal. So we're gonna go get silly. See you there. Okay, we're on the hunt for the 2-for-1 seltzer and a pretzel cheese.
And maybe a prawn.
Ooh, and maybe, who knows? We'll see what we end up with. Okay, I'm ready. Rude.
It makes it feel like
Look at his blue little glove. Look at his cunty little blue glove.
I love to be able to get my business done and also get my business done. You know what I mean?
Get out! He stuttered. Okay, so the Saints basically won, and so now we're leaving because we have to go watch the Timberwolves. I'm not kidding about this sports era.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, what's up? Oh, that's awesome.
How about them Wolves?
We went to the Saints game and then we dipped out a little early. We went to the Bulldog Lower Town to watch the game.
He's definitely seen my.
I'm not closing curtains.
Fuck
Yeah, I was
naked,
like, there's
so.
no way I'm closing curtains every
Yeah,
night.
no one, like, if they're there, they're only gonna be there.
If anything, I'll just write a note and I'll say, you're welcome. Here's a little janitor treat.
Happy Friday! I got off work today and I came straight to my parents' house. They live pretty close to where I work, so it kind of works out nicely when I can stop by. But it's actually my mom's birthday tomorrow. Don't ask me whose idea it was to have Mother's Day and my mom being born a week apart from each other. Someone was not thinking that through. But it's fine. So anyway, I'm gonna stay over tonight and we're going out to celebrate her for dinner. And then I am doing like a whole day with her tomorrow, which is gonna be kind of cute and sweet, but she doesn't know what we're doing yet. But in the meantime, I thought I would cut my hair. I'm gonna kneel, this is too hard. I trimmed my hair like a few weeks ago, but I don't think it like satisfied my urge to just like cut it or do something a little more. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I just need to like cut some hair off. I think, you know, a lot of people's coping thing is to cut their hair, I feel like. Is that just me? It definitely is not just me. Honestly, I feel like it should just be a rule of thumb. Like, if your friends show up with a new haircut or like they dyed their hair or they did anything like in that realm, just check up on them, because honestly, they're probably not doing the best. And right now, I would say, you know, I'm not doing horribly, but I'm not doing great, for sure. And I don't really know how to process that, all the things that are going on in life around me right now. And so instead of processing it, I'm just gonna get to work. Yeah. So wish me luck. I have less than an hour. We're leaving soon, so I don't really know what I'm actually gonna do, but I guess we'll find out. to be so for real about this though, okay? So I'm gonna need you to comment down below if this was a good idea or a bad idea. How are we feeling? Because I don't personally know how I'm feeling about this. Yeah, oh no. Also, outfit change is because I literally had to stop halfway through cutting this to go to dinner with my family. And then I came back and finished it, except I don't know if I'm done is the problem. I just keep like cutting pieces everywhere and I don't know what to do. I feel like, am I crazy for thinking it should be shorter? Like that? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. I stopped because I just, you know, feel like maybe I need to sleep on it and then assess it in the morning. But this is where we're at. I don't know what to think, honestly. I think maybe like half of you guys were here like 5 years ago when I had my bangs era back then. And that in itself was just a whole time and a half. But I don't know. This feels like a little bit different for some reason, even though it's literally not. But the time of life feels very different. This feels like a very different era. I don't know. But there's honestly no going back at this point. So I don't know. I just either need to keep cutting it or I need to stop. But for now, I think I'm done. I need to show you. Okay, here's all the hair. Can you see that? Yeah, so I'm done, right? Like that's enough for one night, I think. I need to just stop probably while I'm ahead. Oh boy, I don't know. Well, yeah, okay. I guess we'll just call it good for now and reassess in the morning. See if I hate it by then. Okay, well, here it is. Great.